Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Blacktop online with your friends. First, navigate to the main menu and select the Play Now option. From there, choose Blacktop to enter the mode. This allows for quick, customizable basketball games, perfect for casual play. You can enjoy 1 versus 1, 2 versus 2, or even 3 versus 3 matchups. It's a fantastic way to challenge your friends in a relaxed setting. Once in Blacktop, select the Play with Friends option. This will open a lobby where you can choose your desired game type, such as 1 versus 1, 2 versus 2, or 3 versus 3. After selecting the game type, you'll see your online friends list. Simply select the friends you wish to invite and send them an invitation to join your Blacktop match. It's a straightforward process to get everyone together. Before starting, you can customize many aspects of your Blacktop game. Choose your favorite players to form your team, ensuring a strong lineup. You can also adjust game rules, such as setting the quarter length to 5 minutes or changing the difficulty. Furthermore, select your preferred court environment and even the time of day, like a sunny afternoon or a clear night. These options make each game unique. Once all your friends have accepted the invitation and joined the lobby, ensure everyone is ready to play. You'll see indicators next to their names confirming their status. When everyone is set, the host can simply press the Start Game button. Dive into the action, communicate with your friends, and enjoy the competitive or casual fun of Blacktop online. It's a great way to spend time together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.